Welcome to West Bend Harley-Davidson, your go-to destination for all things Harley in West Bend, Wisconsin. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, West Bend Harley-Davidson is your home away from home. We live and breathe the motorcycle lifestyle with a team of passionate experts who share your love for the open road and the iconic Harley brand. Here, it's all about choice, convenience, and value. With access to over 1,000 new and pre-owned bikes, you'll find the perfect ride that fits your style and budget. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way with expert advice, proper fitting, and test rides, so you can ride with total confidence. Need financing? We've got competitive rates and worry-free warranties to get you on the road faster. And when it's time for service or upgrades, our award-winning team has you covered with top-tier parts, accessories, and the latest motor clothes. New to riding? No problem. Take a rider course through Chicago and Milwaukee Motorcycle School. Not sure which bike is right for you? Try one out with Chicago Motorcycle Rentals. And for those who love the journey, join us on unforgettable rides with Chicago Motorcycle Tours. Find out why riders from West Bend, Kewaskum, and Hartford keep coming back. Your next adventure starts now at West Bend Harley-Davidson.